My name is Sanjay Amarasinghe. I'm the owner and CEO of COPP Industrial Manufacturing. Our previous vendors for payroll and for insurance, first of all, we had too many of them. For most of the insurance, it was hard to find good competitive rates. TPG has given us a lot of visibility and transparency of what's available for us and giving us some more choices, basically. The main thing about TPG is the personnel. That is a very great team. They're always available. They're local for us, and whenever the issue comes, a question comes, someone's always available to answer our questions. Teamwork, it's a critical thing from a partner or supplier.
Basically what we came in is we set up a meeting with all of the employees, able to show them our platform, able to get them all registered, show them how to use all the different processes that we have on our system. We want to make sure we're here for our clients and we're here able to do the one-on-one training. We're not sending emails, we're not placing phone calls. We're here with our clients, sitting side by side. We provide them a TPG binder that shows all the step-by-steps on how to do that process, and we're always available. So I stop by and see Sanjay on a pretty regular basis.
It's been great to have necessary paperwork, additional services that we need as a business in California. So overall, it's been a great experience. They're the right size especially for small to medium-sized businesses. Great team and a great owner. There's an owner with a great vision, great company to partner with.